Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this BMW 4 Series. So first of all, we're making sure that Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. But here we go to menu, and actually there's just there's what's it called on here, just to make it more difficult they call it COM, not telephone, but it's come on to manage mobile devices. So if I click on there, it's connect new device, and you've got telephone and Bluetooth audio. So select function, we'll click telephone, and it's, there you go, BMW 60897, BMW 60897, click on that, Bluetooth pairing request, click to accept, and then over here we have to click OK, allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow, and there you go, BMW 60897 is connected, and it's connected on the system too.